Do you know what these are? These are your deltoids, AKA your delts for short, or your shoulders. And a lot of people train these wrong because they only train one movement. And what they don't know is that there are three heads to your deltoid. You have the anterior, which is the front, you have the medial, which is the side, and you have the posterior, which is the rear. So this exercise today is going to be a pressing motion that is gonna work mainly the anterior of that deltoid complex. So Alicia's gonna sit back in the machine, settle in, find her comfortable position for her hands to press. Chest is up, and she's gonna exhale and press overhead. Now, with this one, you wanna make sure your elbows are not going back, so they are staying pretty much in front of your body. And let's show them what it looks like to not do it right. If they're going back like that, that puts a lot of pressure on your shoulder capsule and the shoulder joint. So you wanna make sure that you're in line with your wrists, with your elbows when you come down, and then exhale as you press up. This is gonna be a great one for that anterior delt. It gives you that nice little capping of the front shoulder. Ladies, if you are not training all three heads of the deltoid, you are missing out. This gives you an illusion of a smaller waist, and you don't have to wear shoulder pads.